Here we come to the auxiliary elevator at Houston Hobby Airport in Houston, Texas. That's the original map right here. You see, they used to have an elevators there, but they ripped it out. Oh, we're gonna have a great motor on this. And this thing is huge.
First floor, primer piso.
Listen to that sick chime.
Second floor, segundo piso.
Beautiful. I'm gonna go for one more ride. This thing is huge. It's almost like a freight elevator. Like this is big. Or this could double as a freight elevator. Who knows? This is definitely a big elevator.
First floor, primer piso.
Listen to this chime. That is the most hilarious sounding chime I've ever heard. All right. Get a listen. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1.
Second floor, segundo piso.
Epic. All right, there it goes. And that's it.